ignition temperature. So for that purpose we have two candle here burning, and we have two structure like this. This is a plastic glass, and on the plastic glass a paper cup is fitted here. Same in both the case. Now we inverted this structure and we will find that yes, it is burning. It is burning. So it is burning. So ignition temperature has been achieved. So the paper is burning. So we will remove this. Now in this case we will pour water. We will pour water, and now we will try to keep it. We will remove this glass. Now we will try to keep it here. Let's see it burns or not. Now this time it is not burning. The paper is not burning because the heat is absorbed by the water. You can see we are keeping directly under the water. It is not burning, but in the first case it is burning.